25 fascinating did-you-know facts about Austria's geography. Austria is landlocked, yet borders 8 countries. Did you know Austria is a landlocked country in Central Europe, sharing borders with 8 countries? Germany, Czech Republic, Slovakia, Hungary, Slovenia, Italy, Switzerland, and Liechtenstein. The Alps dominate the landscape. About 60 to 70% of Austria is mountainous, with the Eastern Alps covering the majority of the country. Grossglockner, the highest peak. Austria's tallest mountain is the Grossglockner, which rises to 3,798 meters, 12,460 feet. Krimml Falls, Europe's tallest waterfall. Austria is home to Europe's tallest waterfall, the Krimml Falls, which plunges 380 meters, 1,246 feet, in the Hohe Tauern National Park. The Mighty Danube. The Danube, Europe's second longest river, flows for about 350 kilometers, 217 miles, through Austria, including its capital, Vienna. Forests cover nearly half the country. Forests make up about 2/5 of Austria's land, making it one of the most densely forested countries in Central Europe. Austria has over 2,000 glaciers. There are around 2,000 alpine glaciers in Austria, slowly carving the dramatic mountain scenery. The Bohemian Massif. The oldest geological part of Austria is the Granite and Gneiss Plateau, part of the Bohemian Massif in Upper and Lower Austria, the Vienna Basin. The Vienna Basin is a large, fertile lowland area in the east, home to Austria's capital and most of its population. Lake Constance, Austria's largest lake. Austria's largest lake is Lake Constance, Bodensee, with only 11% of its shoreline in Austria. The rest is shared with Germany and Switzerland. Lake Neusiedl, the lowest point. Austria's lowest point is Lake Neusiedl at 115 meters, 377 feet above sea level. The country stretches 580 kilometers east to west. Austria extends roughly 580 kilometers, 360 miles, from east to west, the Alpine Foreland. The Alpine Foreland, between the Alps and Vienna, is known for its ridges, forests, meadows, and wide valleys, the Tron Basin's lakes. The Tron Basin is rich in lakes including Attersee, Austria's largest alpine lake, unique climate zones. Austria's climate is a mix of Central European maritime in the west and north, and dry continental in the east, the Graz Basin. The Graz Basin in southern Styria is another densely populated and fertile region. Snow avalanches are common. Austria's steep alpine terrain makes snow avalanches a recurring natural hazard, especially in winter and spring. The country's extreme points. Austria's highest point is the Grossglockner, 3,798 m, and its lowest is Lake Neusiedl, 115 m. The hilly north of the Danube, Austria features forested hills and lower mountains, including part of the Bohemian Massif, the Little Hungarian Plain. The lowland area east of Vienna and North Burgenland is a western extension of the Little Hungarian Plain. Alpine glaciers move up to 150 meters per year. Austria's glaciers can move at speeds of 30 to 150 meters per year. Austria has about 90 lakes. There are around 90 lakes in Austria, many of them nestled in scenic alpine valleys. The country has no coastline. Despite its central location, Austria has no access to the sea. The country's area Austria covers about 83,879 square kilometers, 32,386 square miles. Austria's borders are over 2,700 kilometers long. The total length of Austria's land borders is about 2,706 kilometers, 1,682 miles. These facts showcase Austria's dramatic and diverse geography, from towering alpine peaks and thundering waterfalls to rolling hills, ancient massifs, and fertile river valleys.